Welcome back to Day and Night Forex YouTube channel, where we share business knowledge to help you achieve your dreams and goals. And in today's video, we are going to start a mobile car wash from scratch, and we will make a follow-up video later on showing you guys the progress. Yes, we are actually starting a literal business and showing you the progress on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed, you got your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on those follow-up videos coming up very soon. Everyone always wants to show the end results, but in the following videos, we will actually record all our steps and show you the beginning and also the end result. We want to show you that a hustler doesn't have pride and that there is a lot of ways to make money out there. So let's talk first about the transportation business before we jump straight into the mobile car wash business. Some of you guys who know us know about our taxi ride cab services. Due to us being busy and we didn't give too much attention to our cab business, it actually failed. It didn't fail because our strategy didn't work. It failed because we went into partnership with someone who didn't have the same vision as us. Our partner wasn't business minded and wasn't hungry enough to actually build a legacy, because it was an old guy. We respect and trust him. You know, when money is involved, some people get greedy and make some really stupid decisions. So the guy we partnered up with started to steal money from the business. Now we don't know if it was due to jealousy or he just underestimated us because we are young. He also messed up the car and drove it in that bad condition. We weren't aware of this. We were busy with other projects and left everything in his hands and trusted him with everything, right? It was only one car we had bought, and we had raised money from the markets to add 2 more cars. The end goal was to at least have 10 cars in total, as the calls were increasing every single day and we couldn't attend to everyone with that one car. You know, clients want fast services. If I request a cab right now, it means I want to hit the road right now. I don't want to hear something like, give me a few minutes, I'm still busy with the client. No, that's not how we do business, right? Everything must be fast and smooth. So we decided to add 2 more cars. Our services were very fast and the word spread everywhere as everyone was recommending our services. The guy we partnered up with was white, so we also attracted white clients as well, meaning that we went beyond our race, which is always a goal that you should have in your business, right? You must aim to always go beyond race. That way you can actually build a real legacy. Most of the older white people, when they call, they told us straight away that they prefer to drive with our partner because he's also white. They don't want to drive with the black driver. That is when I realized that the race played a big role in this business as well, because we had a big total number of white clients using our services just because their driver was also white. Majority was requesting white drivers. You know how old people are. We never took it personally and we didn't care. What you want, that's not our business. Taxi Ride was there to provide good services for our clients and make you happy. Most didn't care and they were all good, right? So they're all good with it, whether it's a white driver or black driver. So Taxi Ride had both black and white drivers. You gotta be more observant in life and take notes of everything if you want to run a successful business. We're always on time, and we were the first taxi cab services with an actual app here in Kimberley. The app worked the same as Uber, giving the price, distance and all that information that a rider needs. I don't know what happened with the guy we partnered with, because he was slacking and giving Taxi Ride a bad name. After hearing all the complaints and losing contracts, we put Taxi Ride on hold and sold the car. I wasn't driving the car and I couldn't find a reliable driver to continue with the business. The car was also either involved in an accident or it was smashed. We don't really know what really happened to it. We were too busy to even pay attention to that. But either way, we fixed the car and we sold it because we had only bought it for the business and we had no other use for it. Taxi Ride had already built a loyal clientele base, and even today the competition can't do it like we did it. It's simply facts, right? If you want something to succeed, you must do it yourself. But unfortunately, I couldn't drive the car around myself. Taxi Ride is coming back even bigger and better than before. This time we will be 100% involved and we will turn it into a huge success. So why did we include our cab service business here? Simply to prepare you that there will be obstacles along the way. You will meet people that betray you and steal from you. So be careful who you associate with yourself with when it comes to business, and don't get into business with small-minded people. Small profits will get them excited and they will start to break you down. We won't go deeper into the Taxi Ride for now. Just remember the name Taxi Ride because you are going to hear about it a lot. Now, getting back to the mobile car wash business. This one we will start it ourselves, and after a few months we will drop the follow-up videos. In that video we will show you step by step the progress and how we turn the business into a success. We will announce all obstacles, all the setbacks, all the challenges we faced during the journey, so that you can take notes and apply them to your own business as well. We don't just want to show you the end results as most people do, right? You must see the start as well. That way you can also see that nothing is easy in the beginning. As I always say, car washes can be incredibly a lucrative business, but tends to require more startup capital and permits to get started. However, a mobile car wash business is much more simpler to start and can become profitable much quicker. Running a mobile car wash has really a low startup cost. It takes a long time to build trust and only one mistake to mess up everything. So be very much careful when you're planning out your business. So a simple advice would be to start by writing out the core values you would like to have and build your business around them. Now remember that people are actually going to trust you with their car keys. So it is important not to just look professional, but actually be professional as well. For example, buy a uniform with your company logo and have a professional looking website. Word of mouth is very important for small businesses to become successful. It is important to learn the basics of car detailing and washing. You have to use the right techniques to stand out. It will also prevent you from paying for damages if you educate yourself first. Don't think to wash car is a simple task. I've seen guys wash cars from the bottom up. Like literally, taking all the dirt and stones from the bottom to the top, scratching the car.
No! God, please, no!
It is important to wash a car from the cleanest top to the dirtiest bottom. Watch YouTube videos and practice on your own car or a friend's car until you master the techniques. Do extensive research to find out which car wash companies are operating in your area. The more you understand your competitors, the better you can shape your brand and services so that you can be the superior. Also find out what services they offer and the price range. Having all that information will help you differentiate yourself from others. Your pricing should ideally reflect based on the areas you are targeting and the people around that area. Higher prices will require more professionalism and high quality services. You may want to start lower than your ideal prices and increase as you gain more clients and experience. Here's a list of things you will need, but keep in mind that your equipment needs will be based on the services you offer. High quality products deliver better results. Keep that in mind. Things that you're actually going to need: water supply tank and a pump. Jojo tank will be the best option in this case. Portable generator, a pressure washer, vapor steamer, polish, brushes, vacuums, buckets, sponges, cleaning and deodorizing equipment to keep the car smelling fresh after the wash. So that is it for now. We'll start the business as you guys have requested and we'll record the progress. The follow-up videos will be uploaded after a few months. Make sure that you leave that like and comment down below as we'll be putting in the work to assist you guys. Also subscribe because more knowledge and also giveaways are coming. We want to change a lot of lives, but we can only do that with your help. So make sure that you subscribe, you join the channel, you turn on notifications for all videos. You leave a comment down below. Let's eat to support the channel. With that being said, we'll see you on the next one. #let's eat.